Good evening, everyone. Today's topic is countries and capitals.
India,
New Delhi,
China,
Beijing,
Australia,
Canberra,
Bangladesh,
Dhaka,
Brazil,
Brasilia,
Canada,
Ottawa,
Egypt,
Cairo,
France,
Paris,
Fiji,
Suva,
Italy,
Rome,
Japan,
Tokyo,
Kenya,
Nairobi,
Russia,
Moscow,
Pakistan,
Islamabad,
Nepal,
Kathmandu,
Bhutan,
Thimpur,
Sri Lanka,
Colombo,
Myanmar,
Naypyidaw,
USA,
Washington DC,
Thailand,
Bangkok,
England,
London,
New Zealand,
Wellington,
Uganda,
Kampala,
Malaysia,
Kuala Lumpur,
Spain,
Madrid,
Germany,
Berlin,
Iran,
Tehran,
Iraq.
Baghdad. Thank you.